So did you know that the FDA has a list on their website of medications that are unavailable to the public due to shortages and manufacturing issues? This is a serious problem. Did you also know that there is a pharmacy in our region that can replicate most of those drugs and medicines? It's called compounding, and if your doctor tells you that your prescription cannot be filled due to shortages, then Care Pharmacy in Danville may be able to help with that. Here's more.
Compounding is customizing medication to meet the individual patient's needs. We start from a scratch, all the ingredients from scratch, and customize the dosage for patients like pediatric patients or someone for a geriatric patient. When they are not able to take commercially available preparation, we make it to fit the patient's needs.
And a person has to have, of course, a prescription to be able to come here, right?
That is correct, yes. We work with the physician and the patients and come up with the right dosage form.
Fascinating. Okay. Well, I wanted to take a look at what's going on back here because it looks like a scene out of a sci-fi movie. What do you have going on back here exactly?
Well, that's our technician working on sterile compounding. He is currently making an injectable drug, which is on a short list from a drug FDA short list. Right now, he is preparing vials. Those are in short supply right now from a manufacturer.
And so you were telling me that there is actually a drug shortage. There's a list through the FDA that there's actually a shortage of certain drugs out there. So you're able to kind of help fill that need, right?
Yes. When the drug is not available, we are able to compound the same medication and supply to either the physician or the patients.
Now, you were telling me a really interesting story that you actually started this business in this pharmacy as a way to help children take their medication. Is that right?
That's correct. We had some mom telling us stories that they had to chase the child around the house to get the medicine. So I decided to customize it with the flavoring. That's number one. And then we started making some lollipops, gummy bears. So, that was more acceptable to the kids. That was my main interest. And then it led into customizing medicine for adults and everyone else.
Because I remember my childhood, and I remember being chased around with that terrible, nasty tasting medicine. So thank you for doing that for the kids these days. So bottom line is, compounding is not something that all pharmacies do. This is a very specialized service that you offer here.
That is correct. We provide service that mixing and customizing the dosage form as well as follow through. Those are the two important components in compounding. When we customize medicine, it's not available commercially, so they don't have information how to take the medication. So they rely on us for that part of the service.
So if anybody out there watching would like to know more about compounding or, just learn, can they just come in and talk to you and talk to your folks here?
It's most welcome to come and see us. Our technicians and our staff is ready to help anyone.
Okay, and Care Pharmacy, located at the Sherwood Shopping Center in Danville. Again, if your doctor just tells you that, hey, your prescription, the medications that you need are unavailable right now, you can call these folks at Care Pharmacy and they can certainly help you. 792-8281, or you can go to carerx.com, care-rx.com.